Alright, we have a Quantum Edge HD power chair. This is a 450-pound power chair. This is a big boy of power chair. This power chair has 3 electrical functions. It has the 12-inch seat lift, the electric recline, and the electric feet. This chair does not have the electric tilt. So it has the recline, the feet, and the seat lift, no tilt. You all the functions through the joystick or through the switch box. I'm going to use the switch box so it's quicker for me. So the first thing I'm going to do is the third button in that has a picture of the seat being white. I'm just going to hold that down. As you can see, it's starting to go up. Your seat will start at 22, and when you add 12 inches, it'll go up to 34. So this is your seat lift going up to 34 inches. So 34 inches, you'll be eye level with someone if you're sitting in the chair. Let's look at the base before we go any further. You can see the actual armature for the seat lift. You can see the actuator for the seat lift right here. You can actually see the 14-inch solid wheels. They're non-marking for the floor. They won't mark your floor. You've got caster wheels in the front, caster wheels in the back. You have those heavy-duty anchor points here and here. They're bolted to the frame, so they're not going anywhere. This is where you secure your chair, folks, to your lift or to your van if you're going to transport it. There's 2 on this side, there's 2 on the opposite side. You can actually see the suspension for the back. There's 4 of these shocks all the way around. There's 1 here, there, all the way around. There's 4 of these. So it does give you a really good suspension, okay? And these are the heavy-duty motors. These are 4 brushes motors. They're big, heavy-duty motors. This chair right now weighs about 450 pounds, so you're not going to be able to lift it or push it if it breaks down on you, if it ever breaks down. What you have to do is turn the power off. If you needed to push it, turn the power off. And the reason we want the power off, we want no resistance in the motor. Turn the power off and hit your orange button down, and what that does, it unlocks your wheel. So you have to do both motors on both sides, and then you can roll it around. But now, when you're done rolling around, make sure you put it back in gear, then turn your power back on, okay? So that's the base on the chair right there. We've covered the seat lift so far. I'm going to bring the seat back down. You have a swing away joystick here. What that means, the joystick moves from the front to here, which gives you, now let me say something about these buttons. If you hit it once, it goes down. If you hit the same button again, it goes back up. So these are double touch buttons. That's why it was going down and it's going up. So now if I hit it, it's going up. Hit it again. So you got to keep your finger on it all the way down because then it's going to. The next feature I'm going to do is called the electric recline. The electric recline is when the back goes back by itself. So you can see the back going back right now. That's called the electric recline. The nice thing about this chair is it's already tilted up a little bit on the front. The cushion goes up from high to low towards the back. The next thing I'm going to show you are the electric feet. So the feet are going up right now. So if you were laying down with your feet up, I just want to show you what it would look like. So that's what it would look like. And these feet are adjustable. So if you're 5 feet tall, 6'2", we can adjust these legs. I want to show you something else too. So you have the legs up in the back recline. That's your that's your laying down position. So I'm going to bring the back up, and I'm going to bring the feet back down. So when you're outside, always leave your feet out a little bit so there's a little more room under there for clearance. Okay? So now let's talk about the seat on this chair. These arms have support on here. Most arms don't have that. What that means is when you push down on these arms, there's no give because it has what's called this support right here that slides right into here. So you have it on both sides. Okay? So you have the support there. The seat on this chair is 22 by 20. 22 wide by 20 deep. We can adjust these seats. We're not going to be able to go much bigger than that, maybe 24 inches if we had to. The safety belt, the cushion, you can put your own cushion or keep this cushion on here. You have lateral pads on here, so this helps your knees stay on the foot plate. You have the adjustable headrest. And as I said, it's a mid-wheel drive, so it turns around its own length. So if I go in a circle, it should turn around its own length. Now, if you bring the foot plate all the way in under the chair, you'll have a better turning radius. What I'm saying, if you bring these all the way into here, these will be sitting here, okay? But this is what a mid-wheel drive chair does for you. Here's another thing about this chair also. This chair has an attendant control here. I can drive this chair. So if you have a passenger who can't drive, you want to make sure that's not going to work. So what you do, you hit the button here, and what it does, it turns that one off, and now I'm able to drive it from here, okay? As you can see. Okay, so I can do everything here with this chair. The floor is a little slippery here. So when you switch it back to the front, you hit the button again. When you switch it back to the front, you do have to turn the power back up front. So you're never going to have two drivers, okay? So either the one driving from here or the one driving from there, okay? You have a fully adjustable headrest. When you charge the batteries in this chair, you'll take your quantum charger and you'll plug it right below your joystick. And as soon as the light goes from green to orange, from orange to green, the charger will stop charging. These are smart chargers, they know what to do. So let me go give you more little information about this chair. So this is a Quantum Edge HD. It has a 450-pound weight capability. It has the electric recline, electric legs, and it has the 12-inch seat lift. It has those three features. It has 4 miles, beautiful red in color. These are the heavy-duty motors. Everything's heavy-duty about this chair. The seat is 22 by 20. You've got a Swing Away Joystick. You have knee guards here. You have arm supports here. These are all custom. This and this. This is all custom. This is also custom. This attendant control, and you have the headrest. So this chair is fully loaded, except the only thing it doesn't have, it does not have the electric tilt, but it has the other three major functions. So if you're looking for a heavy-duty chair to help you be comfortable and give you the size that you need, this would be one to look at. So this is a Quantum Edge HD for heavy duty. This is the one that's got the 450-pound weight capability. Top speed I got was 3.5 to 4 miles an hour, right in that range. These are not fast chairs. They're set up. The reason they're not fast is that these are different motors. These are high quality, high torque motors, so the speed is not going to be there, but you're going to have more power. Okay. So top speed is between 3.5 and 4 miles an hour on this one. This is the one that's got the electric seat lift, the electric legs, and the electric recline. This one does not have the tilt. So you have the feet, the recline, and the 12-inch seat lift. So again, this is the heavy duty Quantum Edge HD with a 450 weight capability with the seat that elevates 12 inches, the electric feet, and the electric recline. And it's got the lateral pads, it's got the large 22 by 22 inch seat, just a large power chair ready to go.
Hi, I'm Mark, and my name is Alex. We are a family-owned business for over 25 years. We have many products available, not just what you see in this video. If you would like to learn more, you can call the number below at 800-677-6293, or you can visit us directly at www.marcsmobility.com.